And your commentators are Bill Laurie and Ian Chappell.
And that's going to be 4 runs, a very positive start. Whipped it away over square leg, beautifully timed, and good morning, Ian Chappell.
Good morning, Bill, and hello to all of our viewers. Good start there.
Oh, what a cracking shot. Rifle adjusted but come in too short, and that's beautifully played.
If he could not bowl and no ball, and by doing that he gave Amir Sahel a bit of width. The way he plays, he loves to play through that square area on the offside.
It's a way to get off the mark. It's well timed over mid-off. It's a long boundary, but it should make it. It's well struck. Out, dropped! Oh, straight to him. Michael Bevan drops the sitter really.
When they're hit pretty firm, problems in the first over, wicket would have been just what he needed.
That's 4 more. This is great to see. They're finding the meat of the bat.
It's the whole from Pakistan. There's an intent there. So the bowler knows that if he makes a mistake, there's a chance he'll get punished.
In the air 4. He's smashed that one. That was beautifully timed to the fence.
Front foot quite early, but he gets back very quickly. Look at that. Change of weight back to the right foot. And he hits it very hard indeed. There are 2 men pretty much in that position for the cut shot, but he still managed to find the gap between them in the right spot, but he's looking for extra pace this season.
That's well run. Or was it? No, it might not have been. That's out. So much for my judgment. Well, he seemed to have it covered. It's a very quick call, but that was a direct hit. Watch this again.
I think this was bad running by Zahouri. Not really bad running, but I think the placement of the bat. He had the bat in the air for too long instead of trying to ground it. And he's short.
Well, it's unbelievable. He stopped halfway down the pitch. Well, we'll have to come back in a little while and have another look at that. Zahoor Ilahi is being sent out at first drop. He's just 18 years of age. Really early days for him. It's only his second match. Whoops, and that hit the real bottom of the bat, but he's got it away. He's obviously really got stuck into it. It's running down to the straight boundary. They surely should run 4 here. Glenn McGrath's the guy they'd want to have the ball in his hand because he's got a strong arm, although he's using the relay format as well.
Don't believe it. Extraordinary stroke. Even more extraordinary miss from one of the better fielders around.
Not that I'd really know. That's what they tell me. But a big man, Tom Moody, he got to it quite easily. But
That's a beauty. He has latched onto that and given it plenty on the short boundary.
makes that drop catch a bit more important now. And Tom Moody won't be at all pleased with that, but
Oh, gee, that's a good shot. It's from the longest parts of the ground, and the man out on the boundary had no chance. Brilliantly played. Shane Warne to bowl.
Well, that's well hit. And just hitting the base of the fence on the full.
That region, but not close enough. Then McGrath is the man that's out there. He has been brought a bit squarer now. He was a bit straight before.
Then McGrath patrolling the mid-wicket boundary and unable to get to that. I think the look of surprise, the What? And there's 50 for Amir Sahel.
That's a good 50 from Amir Sahel.
That's a good shot. That's beautifully played over the man at mid-wicket. It's going towards the long boundary. That's a great shot. It brings up the 100 partnership. That was a nice shot over the infield. Beautiful, winning the toss. Should be out. Up in the air. He'll get this. That's the breakthrough Australia needed. And Bevan does.
So, I mean,
Catches a cry. There's out, I think. He's got him. That's a very good over. Beautifully bowled and a very good catch by Captain Taylor. All of a sudden, a big swing here at the Adelaide Oval.
yes, very good bowling. Catch as well. Just watch it here. Pad, bat, up the air, and nicely taken. Inches above the ground.
Pulls him, and the man doesn't pick it up. It's a good shot. He's only about 6 metres from that man at mid-wicket. Superbly timed.
Just leant back. It was a bit short. Wasn't a very good delivery, this one. Went the other way, and that really was well played. There's a man back there, and couldn't quite get across.
That one was well placed. It found the gap.
Around as a mark of increased confidence. Nothing wrong with that delivery, but it was a beautiful stroke, deliberately lofted away over extra cover.
And that's out. Greg blew it. Again, the man with the golden arm. He has done it so many times for Australia. Struck when Pakistan were looking to accelerate. Mark Taylor, the man taking the catch.
Sharp chance too. There's nothing easy about it. It was just slightly sliding away from Taylor with the spin on the ball. He's rolled his wrists on it there. Good wicket for the Australians, 4 for 170.
That's gone a long way. Hitting on the full again. Very powerful man was him, Akram.
Pakistan have to get cracking. Two good stroke players, and it's a right-hand, left-hand combination, so it will be slightly upsetting for the bowlers. They'll have to change their line and length all the time. Wonderful time.
Gone by a long way. Exchanging pleasantries. That's gone a long way. Just falling short of the boundary. At a wideish long on.
That was fiercely hit.
He's got him. He's hit that one straight to short extra cover, and
Good story about him there too, because he's just been stumped. Was that Moen? Moen had to go for the runs. He had to try and get it over cover. That was the line he was trying to hit. Just lifted his head, and Healy just doesn't miss those.
yes, gave it a bit of room. It spun, and that was the end of him. He was way down the pitch and stranded. So nicely taken by Healy. Oh. That's in the air, and this should be out. Be caught down at point. No trouble at all. Well, that's gone in the air, and it's going to come down in the hands, the very safe hands of Mark Waugh. Bowled him. Well, that is a flipper. It was dead straight as well. And what's more, it's the end of the inning. So the Pakistanis having to really go for it at the end. That's understandable. And Shane Warne sneaking in with a few wickets at the end here. So he ends up with figures of 4 for 52 of 9.5 overs, and with just one ball to go, the Pakistanis are bowled out. And this was the delivery. Pitched middle and off, hit middle, and it was a flipper. Have a look at it come out of his hand.
Yes, it's the perfect flipper. Just catching the pad. Would have been out LBW.
314 wickets to Wasim Akram.
Once again, good timing from Mark Waugh. That raced away from the fieldsman.
But fast. That was perfectly timed again. In the air for quite some time. Lots of times people set fields to Mark Waugh on the onside, thinking that with those lofted on drives there's a chance of getting him out caught, but he keeps on invading the field.
and dropped. Afridi in that spot at backward square leg, and Waqar has immediately looked around to his captain. He's not a happy man.
Similar chance to the one that Australia put down quite early when the Pakistanis were batting. Similar sort of shot, a bit higher than where it got to Michael Bevan, but at this level those should be taken.
A lovely shot again. His form has been slowly coming this season, Mark Waugh. You get the feeling that it's right back to its best here now at the Adelaide Oval.
There is a man at that short mid-wicket position, placed there, sort of dual role I would think, to catch the ball if it's played in the air in that direction, and also to prevent the single. But that one shot past him without him having a chance.
Oh, and he's got him inside edge onto off stump.
Down, it's 1 for 39.
Australia.
Mushtaq comes into the attack from the city end. The leg spinner with a tremendous record of weight. An attacking bowler, a good leg break and wronging.
It's well played, and he's beaten the mid-on fieldsman. That's a very good shot. Just drifted in a little bit, that delivery. And, they'll be looking for 4 here again. Will they come back? I don't think so. This time it's going to be up to Taylor. Yes, he's coming. No, he's not. And there's a little mix-up here. Oh, and I tell you what, that was pretty close. Oh, he's dropped that as well. Well, Inzamam at mid-wicket there, putting that one down. Well, they're not doing themselves any favours in the field. And he's got him, yes, caught behind. That's well bowled by Saqlian. Way outside off stump. He's gone for the big drive there. And back for the second. Oh, that's got to be out. Yes, he's got to be out. He's asking for the replay. Don't worry about it. That's gone. That's a great throw. Those direct hits, they are dynamite in this form of cricket. That nasty feeling. Let's have another look at it.
He's got a wonderful throwing arm, Waqar Yunus.
Leg spinner, square or late cut. That's well played, used his feet, got to the pitch of the ball. Superb off drive, that go for 4. And that breaks the shackles for Blewett. It's got to be close. Bowled him. Wow, they were shouting, I thought, for LBW, and once again, Blewett knocked over by a leg spinner. That looked like a top spinner. It was very, very quick. That's a big breakthrough.
Top spinner, I reckon that was fast medium. That was a very quick one. I had heard to see what the hell had hit him. Steve Waugh likes to do that every now and again, just to let the bowler know he's not going to be dominated. This time, he's put it right out of the ground. I think it'll come back with bus tickets on it. It's been for a few sections. There's 50 for Steve Waugh. So it's going to be Wasim Akram, number 66, on at the river end. Well, he's done immediately what he's got to do. He's got rid of Mike.
It's in the air, catch it, he's taken the head off it, long off, should catch this. He catches it easily and the young man picks up. Steve Waugh first delivery, and all of a sudden it's a real game again. And that's a great breakthrough.
Certainly is. Just didn't get it in the right spot. Saqlian bowled beautifully early on, and that one had a little bit more flight than was normally the case. Steve Waugh was short of it, probably a good half-yard short. Went for the big one down the ground, and it was taken in perfect safety out there. The end.
Good effort, appeal for the stumping. He's going to ask for the video. Square legs asking for the stumping. Moody was drawn forward. A brilliant piece of work by Mohan Khan, but whether he was out remains to be seen.
There's a lot of congratulations going on there. It's a question of whether he dragged onto the line, and if he did, whether or not he got back.
He's in the air. I think he's gone. It's a very testy one for Steve Davis, but I don't think the foot was down when the bars were taken off.
Hello, Bill. Well, that gap you saw has been seen by the umpire as well, and Tom Moody is gone. Well, Saqlian Mushtaq, 2 wickets in the over where...
That's so good against spin. He's got it past him, they look for 2. Rifle coming back, and the throw's good, it'll be close. Getting close! Fire, he's gone! He's gone! What an over, 3 wickets in a 1 over. Good outfielding, good throw. Rifle struggling, and Pakistan in with a big chance.
That was always going to be a dangerous second. Powerful arm down there on the boundary, and that is brilliant cricket. What an over. A beautifully flighted delivery to get rid of Steve Waugh. A wonderful stumping, and now a brilliant piece of picking up and throwing in the one action, and no need even for the spare umpire.
Brilliant cricket by Pakistan under pressure. This young off spinner's brought him right back into this match. When it looked all over, it was 195. He goes for it. There's a man out there. It goes over, he's getting under it. It's a big one. That's what was on. That's where he likes it. A magnificent 6 over mid-wicket. That's his shot. That's his strength.
What a shot, and what timing in every sense of the word. Just got it right off the meat of the bat. And for a moment, the fielder out there and the bowler would have thought it was going to be caught. The batsman might even have thought that.
Up again, because he'll go again. It's gone again. There's a man out there. He's going to catch this. Ejaz got him. Yes. Wow, what a finish this is. Good bowling. He threw it up. Warren went for it. Straight down the throat of Ejaz.
Dressing room a moment or 2 ago. Won't be so quiet now. His heart will be thumping because he's coming out to have the chance of winning this match. Ejaz, the man out there on the boundary. Warren was sucked in, and it's 9 for 211.
Healy on strike. Saqlian comes in the crowd clapping. Healy swings his high ball. This has got to be out. The bowler, come on, catch it. Somebody cries, catch it. He does, and a big victory for Pakistan. That is a ripper. They've taken the 2 points, and they deserved every one of them. That's a fine bowling performance by Saqlian. 5 for 29 at 20 years of age, a match winner.
Australia falling well short, all out for 211. Done by Saqlian Mushtaq with 5 wickets and also taking out man of the match.